Welcome to KBTV, the channel with a difference.
What's up, y'all? It's your boy King Bryan for real. Keep it locked. King Bryan for real. Keep it locked. Hey guys, welcome to this section of the video. This is where we summarize all that we've learned in the earlier section of the video, put it all together, and then try to solve our problem set. Now this is our problem set and the various solutions, and we will try to achieve those based on our earlier understanding of what really fractions is all about. Now, in summary, we learned that a fraction can be written as 1 upon 2, where 1 is the numerator and 2 the denominator. We also learned that 1 upon 2, which we can say a half, is a proper fraction, whereas 3 upon 2 is an improper fraction. So that is basically a summary of what we learned earlier. So now, yes, this is our problem set, and we will try to get straight into it. So, number 1. What are we gonna do here? 1 upon 3 plus 2 upon 7. What are we gonna do here? Now, let's get into it. The first step is finding the LCM. So the first step is finding the LCM. Now, anyone can guess what LCM is? Okay, you're very smart. Yes, LCM is the lowest common multiple. So what we do, we try to find the lowest common multiple between 3 and 7. So therefore 3 can multiply by something and give us a number, and 7 can multiply by something also and give us that number. Now, people have various ways in finding the LCM. So, my way is not the only way. Alright, so let's go. We have 3 and 7. What can we do to find the lowest common multiple? Basically, we just multiply 3 by 7. We get 21. And we know 21 could go into it. 21 basically is multiples of both 3 and 7. Because 3 7 is 21, 7 3 is 21. Alright, so the next thing to do is start simplifying. So we know 3 can go into 21 7 times. So basically what we do, we multiply the numerator by 7. Likewise, we know 7 can go into 21 3 times. So we multiply the numerator by 3. So we have 7 ones, 7 plus 3 twos, 6. Now we further go and simplify this. So we have 7 plus 6 is equals to 13 upon 21. There it is. So basically, if you have a problem like this, you simplify it in the end, yes, but then you can put a little statement to the end. So then, therefore, 1 upon 3 plus 2 upon 27 is equals to 13 upon 21. And that's it. Number 1 solved. Moving on to number 2. So yes, number 2. It looks a little different from what we previously had in number 1, but if you can remember in the earlier parts of the video, we refer to these numbers as, yes, mixed numbers. So basically what we do, we change the mixed numbers into improper fraction. And as you can see, I went straight ahead and I changed all the mixed numbers to improper fraction. Basically, what we do is multiply whatever we have at the bottom, and what we have at the bottom is known as, come on, denominator. Yes. So we multiply the denominator by whatever number we have in front, and we add that to the, what is this number? Come on, numerator. All right, yeah, let's go. So we have 3 by 3 would give us 9, and plus 2 would give us 11. So that's how come I end up with 11 upon 3. Now, likewise on this side, let us multiply. 6 by 2 we have, okay, plus 1, 13 upon 6. Now basically what we do here, we just find the LCM and simplify. Now, what is the LCM? In this case, we clearly see that we can use 6. Because 6 is the lowest common multiple here. So 3 can go into 6 how many times? 2 times. So we multiply the numerator by 2. And 6 into 6 is 1. 6 can go into 6 1 time. So we multiply the numerator on this side by 1. So we have 2 times 11 gives us 22, minus 1 times 13 is lucky number 13. So this will give us 22 minus 13 would give us, come on, 22 minus 13 would give us 9. So we have 9 over 6. Do we leave it there? Do we do what? Alright, just playing. So here we have 9 upon 6. This can further be broken down and also changed to a mixed number format back to the original format. So Here we go. We have 9 upon 6. 9 upon 6, we can see clearly. We can have what? 3 upon 2. Yes, so we see when we break this improper fraction down to its simpler form, we have 3 upon 2. And this 3 upon 2 here can also be broken down as what? Come on, come on, come on. As 1 and 1 upon 2. How we end up with that? How we end up with that? Come on, help me out. We know that 3 upon 2, we know when we're changing it, we have to get a whole number, and a whole number where the denominator multiply by it and add it to the numerator, which give us the original fraction. So we clearly see that 2 ones is 2 plus 1, which is 3. So we would end up with our original fraction, 3 upon 2. So, therefore what? 3 and 2 upon 3 is equals to just a little statement to ensure that your marker or your examiner knows clearly what you're doing. Okay, number 3. So, number 3 basically is a multiplication. So far we had an addition of proper fractions. We had a subtraction of mixed number and improper fraction. Now we're doing some multiplication of what type of fraction? Proper fraction. Okay, good. Now, what do we do when we multiply? Basically, what we do when we multiply, if you can remember in the early part of the video, we had made mention something about canceling. Yes, so we try to cancel out or make it the simpler format. So basically, what can we cancel out here? What can we cancel out? What can we really cancel out here? Alright, let's see. We know, so we're canceling, right? So what we have? We know 3 can cancel. We have multiples here. Alright, so 3 ones is 3. Alright, so let's do it like this. We have 3 ones is 3. And 3 5 is 15. You have 7 ones is 7. 7 4 is how many times we can get 7 from 14? 2 times. So basically, we just multiply now. We have 2 upon 5. Think you get it? Let's go it again. We have 3 over 7 multiplied by 14 over 15. Basically, what we do, we cancel out there. So you have 3 ones is 3, 3 5 is 15, 7 ones is 7, 7 twos is 14. So that there gives us 1 upon what? 1 upon 1 times 2 upon 5. That then gives us 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 5 is 5. So, therefore, three upon 7 times 14 upon 50 is equals to 2 upon 5. Oh, alright, there you go. Right, moving along to lucky number 4. When we're dividing, what do we do? When we're dividing, basically what we do, Alright, I will tell you what we have to do. You tell me which one we have to do it to. So basically what we have to do is upturn one fraction and multiply it by the other. Which one do we upturn? Which one do we multiply? Let me see who was the smart one. Alright, let's get into it. So basically this can also be written as 3.7 divided by 12.21. So basically when we have something like this, what we do, this now can be written as 3/7 divided by 12/21. So alright, good. So we see where we get this from. So basically this is what it actually is, but we just write it like this for simplicity's sake. But now we have to simplify it for our sake. Alright, let's go. So, alright, we can take it back to the original. So we have 3/7 divided by 12/21. Basically what we do, we upturn this fraction and multiply it, right? So this would give us 3/7 multiplied by 21/12. Okay, what's next? What can we do? What can we do? Like we did for the previous question. We cancel. So let's go again. Canceling, and we will multiply. Starting with the 3, we see that 3 and 12 can be cancelled out, and 7 and 21 can also be cancelled out. So 3 once, 3 into 12, 4, 7 once, 7 into 21. I know you know your 7 times table. 7 1 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21. Alright, so basically that now 1 times 3, 3, 1 times 4, 4. So our answer is alright, so let's have a run through back. This is our original problem, 3 sevens, 12 divided by 21. This is what it looks like originally. We changed it to this format just for simplicity's sake. In the solution set, we write it back to the original format just because we know we have to upturn and multiply the denominator by the numerator. So for this is our answer. Give yourself a tap on the back. You just made it out the fractions problem set successfully. Don't remember to like, share, and subscribe for more. This is your boy King Bryan.
Took my heart away from money, I ain't interested in fame, and I pray that never change. Ambition is priceless, it's something